Hello, good evening sa ating lahat and welcome sa ating channel sa Sir Ariel Mat. At bago tayo magpatuloy ay pakihingi ng isang like at subscribe at pakihit ng notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is all about complementary angles and supplementary angles. Okay, so if we say supplementary angles add up to 180 or the sum of their measures equal to 180. So the first figure, ito yung first figure. So this is adjacent and supplementary angle. Okay? And ito yung first figure. And the second figure, this is supplementary angles but not adjacent. If we say adjacent angle, it is meron silang common side and common vertex. Okay? So next, if we say complementary angles add up to 90 degrees or the sum of their measures or the total sum or sum of their measures is equal to 90 degree. So the first figure is adjacent and complementary angles. Next figure is complementary angles but not adjacent. Okay? Hindi sila adjacent kasi wala silang common side. Wala silang common side. So, magiging adjacent lang siya kung meron silang common side. Is one. Common side yan. And common vertex. Dito, wala din silang common vertex. Dalawa yung vertex dito eh. Although, complementary angles din yan. But not adjacent. Okay? So, remember, our objective, students will identify angles as complementary and supplementary angles and solve problems with an unknown angle from given information about them by finding the missing angle. Okay, again, discuss natin yung supplementary angles. Remember, two angles are supplementary if the sum of their measures is 180 degree. Okay, each angle is supplement of each other. Okay, angle 1 is supplement to angle 2. Or, pwede rin baliktarin, angle 2 is a supplement of angle 1. Okay, so angle first figure is 20 degree and the other figure is 160 degree. So they are supplements of each other because their angles add up to 180. Okay, 3 steps for finding missing angles. First, create an addition equation by adding both angles. The sum of the angles will equal 90 for complementary angles and 180 for supplementary angles. Number 2, solve the equation using the inverse rules. And number 3 is combine like terms. Okay, example number 1. Find the value of x by making an equation. So this is a figure, merong x. Angle na yan is x and this angle is 20 degree. So yung equation, yung step 1 is yan, x plus 20 that is equal to 180. Kasi 180 because these angles, kapag i-add natin yan lahat, that is equal to 180 degree. Okay? Tapos, ang total niyan or ang result niyan is 160 degree. Bakit magiging 160? Kasi ang gagawin natin dito, since this is positive 20 degree, so ang gagawin natin, we have to subtract this one by 20. Sa left side, dito rin sa kabila, i-subtract din natin ng 20. Okay, so this is 0 na yan. Then dito sa right side is i-minus natin sa 160 degree. So yun ang value ng x degree equals 160 degree. Okay, next. Example number 2, find the value of x by writing your equation. Okay, so yung figure natin, this angle is the x degree or yung hahanapin natin kung ilang value yan. And this angle is 65 degree. So, yung equation, x degree plus 65 degree equals 180 degree. 180 pa rin siya kasi kapag itotal natin itong dalawang angle ay equal sa 180 degree. So, kapag isubtract natin ito ng 65, dito rin 65 minus 65. So, i-cancel natin yan. Then, i-minus natin dito 180 minus 65, that is equal to 100 degree. Okay? So, let's proceed to complementary angles. Two angles are complementary if the sum of their measures is 90 degree. Okay? Each angle is the complement of the other. Okay? Each angle is the complement of the other. Angle 1 is complement to angle 2. Okay? This angle complement to angle 2, or angle 2 complement to angle 1. Okay? The first figure is measures 90 degree and the second figure is 60. So therefore these are complements of each other because their angles add up to be 90 degree. Okay, example number 3, find the value of x. Okay, so this value is x degree, yun ang hanapin natin, and ito ay 15. So yung equation natin dito is x plus 15 equals 90 degree because ang total niyan is 90. Take note, this is right angle. Right angle yan. So, therefore, kapag right angle, that is measures 90 degree. So, kapag i-solve natin to, x degree or x plus 15 equals 90, we have to subtract both sides by negative or by 15. Or mag-add tayo ng negative 15 both sides. Ganun din yan, ha? So, i-minus na to diha. So, cancel na yan kasi 0. Diri pod, i-minus na to 15. Dapat both sides. Okay? So, the result is x is equal to 75. Next, may activity. So, proceed tayo. Now, think of what we talk about today. So, look at the figure. Okay, try to observe yung figure natin, yung angle 1, angle 2. Okay, that is, merong right angle dyan. Then, angle 3, angle 4, and angle 5. Okay, question number 1. Are angles 4 and 5 supplementary angles? Supplement ba ito si angle 4 and angle 5? Okay. Supplement or no? So, the answer is no. Kasi hindi sila nag-measure ng 180. Kahit titingnan natin yung figure, hindi sila supplementary angles. Next, our angles 2 and 3 are complementary angles. This angle, angle 2 and angle 3. Complement ba yan? Okay, the answer is no. Kasi hindi sila nag-form ng right angle dito sa sa 2 and 3. So, hindi natin alam kung anong measure ng angle 2 at saka measure ng angle 3. So, therefore, this is not a complementary angles. Next question, are angles 4 and 3 are supplementary angles? Ito daw si angle 3 at saka si angle 4. Supplement ba yan or supplementary angles? The answer is yes. Kasi yung sum ng dalawang angle na yan, si angle 4 and angle 3, ay 180 degree. Are angles 2 and 1 complementary angles? This angle, angle 1 and angle 2. Complementary angles ba yan? The answer is yes. Kasi take note dito sa right angle na symbol sa right angle. Okay? Yan. Right angle yan. Okay? So, paki-answer na lang dito sa number 1. Two angles are complementary angles. So, compute the measure of x. The first figure is 41, then the second figure is x. So, i-compute yung value ng x. Okay? And take note, complementary angles. And number 2, if two angles are supplementary, compute for the value of y. So, kung may sagot kayo, paki-comment na lang sa comment section. At maraming salamat sa pagkikinig. At dito na lang muna tayo sa ating topic. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at palike na rin. At paki-hit ng notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay po, so maraming salamat and God bless.